Now that you have done the first 5 postures as well as a series of 5, let's combine them together. We're going to do 1 rep through the first 10. It's going to be quick, but we're really just wanting to get the habit of moving the body in this pattern as well as working on that mind-body connection as we flow through it. So let's begin. We'll start with our 100. So you can come all the way down. Legs will go straight up to 90, and then the arms will come up and overhead. Let the legs slowly flow all the way down. Bend the knees if you need. Take an inhale first, reach long, and exhale. Scoop the belly up and in. Nice. All right. Now you can start with the legs at 90 or the legs straight forwards, but as you inhale, really find your core engagement. Exhale, working hundreds. Reach up, bring the head, neck, and shoulders off the mat, and start to pulse for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last 5. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Legs go long, arms reach back up and overhead. Time for roll back or roll up, whichever one. If you come to the seat, that's great. Do your roll back. 1 set. Here we go. Hug the belly and reach the arms up and overhead for rollover. Tuck the chin, head, and neck. Reach forward. Feel the core engagement. You got it. Even I have to tell myself that. Reach all the way forwards for your roll up. Awesome work. We'll move right into our roll over. So once again, rolling all the way back down. Bring the hands by the sides and extend the legs up to 90. Press heavy into the palms. Lift the hips. Support yourself if you need, and let the feet come overhead. Separate the legs and slowly lower 1 vertebrae at a time. Once the legs are at 90, single leg circles. Left leg comes down to the mat. Point the right toes. Press heavy into the mat with the hands. Pull the knee in. 1 circle in one direction, crossing midline, then taking it out and wide. Scissor the legs, other side, right heel down, point the left toes, pull the knee in, cross the midline, circle, keeping the pelvis as stable as you can. Circle the other direction. Great job. Legs come down, roll up, or however you need to get there. We'll make our way into rolling like a ball. So heels come into the glutes, hands on the shins. Once again, if you're just working on the balance, you're just going to hold it for the full set or that full rep, but you can work your way there. This is all at your pace. Great job. So knees come in, bend the knees, bring the heels in, and then hover the feet. Find the C curve in the spine. We roll back just once, and then all the way up. We balance. We'll move into our series of 5 straight from here. Left hand to the right knee, extend the left leg long, come back, keep the head, neck, and shoulders lifted. Pull, pull, switch, pull, pull. That's it. You're only doing it on one side. Both knees in, grab the heels, double leg stretch 1 time. Inhale, extend, exhale, pull it in. Beautiful job. Scissors, legs go up. Try to keep the head, neck, and shoulders lifted. Walk your hands up the right ankle. Extend the left leg long. Pull in, switch, pull in. Beautiful. That's it. Both feet to 90. Hands behind the head. You lower, lift. Lower, 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 lift. Beautiful job. Look at the belly button. Lower, lower, lower. You might be shaking. Squeeze the glutes. Lift. Oh, we did that one twice. That's okay. Now we move to crisscross. Draw the right knee in. Extend the left leg long. Left shoulder to right knee. Lift up and switch. Right shoulder to left knee. Switch. Maybe we do it one more time just for good measure. Boom, boom, and let it all go. Great job, y'all.